Hi friends, let's start with a new picture. First I am going to draw with pencil. See, there is a blank paper and after drawing it will become so beautiful. I think so. So with the blessings of Almighty I am starting. I have no idea that what is going to happen. Yes. Eraser, we are saying that eraser is making us more and more confident with our drawing. Our life is also the same, right? And beside you can see the small cute figures of a fox and a donut. It is made by my son who is a genius in doing variety of things. So cute, right? Yes. Friends, you can do this or you can make yourself learn this. You can make your kids learn this and it's a very good thing, especially for the lazy people, for the lazy fox who were lavishing their time in the college days or the school days by diverting their attention by doodling here and there in the notebooks. Actually, it was happening every time in my life, so that now I can easily draw this doodle art. The freedom is there. You can draw anything in any shape, in any size and in any direction. That is the beauty of this art. So you can try, everyone can try and everyone can become an expert in this. Yes, there comes a picture. Now I have started with a pen and I am using the gel pen. As the curves are almost coming right and I'm making things bold. Yes. So it's a shape of a mango, I think. Usually it can be seen in sarees as decorative pieces. Yes. Again, a little more curve, a little curve structure inside it. Yes, I am starting doing the doodles. You can see it is making things more beautiful. Small ones I am doing, curves, bubbles, hexagons, cubes, small dots, anything, anywhere. That is it. Yes. Here comes an image. Yes, you can use that image of a bird inside it. More bubbles are coming. Yes, I am making it darkened. More black color will make things more beautiful. Shading it. You can use dots, you can draw bubbles. You can darken the space in between the bubbles to make it more appealing. And again I have gone for irregular curves that is intersecting each other. I have no idea what is going to happen. Anyway, I am filling it. Yes, brilliantly I am doing it. Yes. Here it is coming. So nice. The fox is looking angry. What this lady is doing, it is thinking. Doodles here and there, no patterns, no regularity. Actually, this is mainly for eccentric people who are thinking, not so regular, not so disciplined, people like me. Yes, more darkening spaces, darkened spaces. It seems like a feather of a bird. Sparks here and there. Yes, you can see a heart shape, and inside it, half it is darkened. Again, a curve which is connecting those two ends. And one thing it is that you should do, that you should fill the space in between. If there is any mistake or if there is anything to fill, means it will add beauty. If you are thinking that you are making a mistake by diverting your pen, you can darken those space with the correct angle. So don't be afraid of doing doodles, because anything you are doing will have a positive result at the end. Yes, I am covering the outer part. Some simple figures are drawing. Yes, now our picture is almost complete. I think it seems like a bird. Maybe your perception is different. Anyway, I think it is nice. And what is your opinion? Please give me the feedback as your comment. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll come with more and more videos which is very big and which is awesome. Thank you so much, dear friends.